7.2.
That was clean. That was clean.
That one locked back. And it was shaved like a 0.2 seconds or whatever.
Yeah.
.650
Nice.
with a broken target and a bowling pin.
How did that shit break?
I don't know, but I hope they don't get mad.
I know.
Were you shooting it with rifle like we told you not to?
Does it just hang maybe or what? Or the little bolt came off?
Yeah. It's right there.
Oh, that's easy.
Does it go here?
Yeah, I think
No,
so.
it's gotta go here, right? You think they do it all the way down or no?
No.